All right, guys, we are back. All right, we was calling. We said earlier. I said earlier. Okay, if price was to continue down and go below the 0.886, we're going for the green box. If not, we can be bullish from a break of structure. Okay, and I was looking at some small breaks of structure like here. Okay, to take out the green line would be a confirmation, extra confirmation that we're bullish and that we're coming to take out this high over here. Okay, right where the high average daily range is, and then to this high right above in the green line there. Yeah, I'm in my buys. I'm hoping we get a pull back down right where we are because that's the 15th EMA we're at and the channel thing and everything. Yeah, or it's fine if we break it as long as we do pull back in. Because I'm not happy with my position size. I'm trying to add to this, to be honest with you, and I don't like adding at the highs. I've stopped doing that. I used to do that, and I used to not be profitable. So yeah, I like to stay profitable. So I mean, price could come into here. We've got a imbalance right here. We got one slightly further down, which yeah, price can go to. I don't think we'd go that far down. I don't know, but I don't think we'll go that far down. I'll be clear about that. Um, Especially if we break the high first, I think that would be a nice area for price to come back. But obviously, I'm gonna be observing the price action here. Okay, and one weird thing, this green line, it's like it moves because look, if I go to the 15-minute, ain't that the high there? Right here, yeah, the same 12:30, 5-minute time frame, 12:30. Why is it higher on the 15-minute time frame? That's what I don't get sometimes about these charts. They just move mad. But yeah, look, if I go to the 1 minute now, just slide along. Or the 5 minute, you'll see this line ain't touching nothing. But it is the high of the 15-minute candle. We're about to touch this 886. As you can see, this the 0.618 lines up nicely with that box down there. Oh, hold on. Okay, even better. We're even closer to that 886, yeah? And the 618 is also inside the box now. Okay, this is accumulation, imbalance, and what I've mentioned a few times. I learned this from Coons, who's an excellent Elliott wave trader, mentor. I watch him every day when he's not on holiday. He breaks down Elliott wave the best. He's got so many, things that can invalidation levels and tips and tricks that aren't common in that. Like when you go on YouTube and people teach you Elliott wave, they don't know these things. Like it's only Coons that I've learned it from, and he's learned from international Elliott wave international. So yeah. Anyway, we hit that 886. Yeah, it's likely we come down here, continue. Okay, I've got three reasons that say that. Because often if we hit the 886, we prove that's not too, if we're bullish, yeah, we hit the 886, we're likely to come down to the 618. Okay, we can go below it, but then I'd expect us to, move up, close above it, continue higher, take out the high. We've already swept these highs in news, okay? We've already taken out the news low. This is when the news candle, this green vector over here, that's when the news opened. If look, this indicator is called Traders Reality Indicator. Okay, you can just type Traders Reality. Yeah, you want Traders Reality main. Okay, you just type that into here, and it will pop up for you. This one here. Okay, now when it loads up, you're gonna want to go in and turn off a whole heap of stuff. I'm only using it for the EMAs, and the volume in the candles is default. You can't turn it off, but I do use those. Yeah. Yeah, we came down, we swiped the news low. We're gonna take the news higher and continue being bullish. I'm in trades, I'm in profit. I really want to see a pullback. Yeah, just so that I can make my positions, increase my position size. Because I did not put enough in, and there was this funny low down there that got me thinking, maybe we'll come back and swipe it. But we've gone too far up now for that to be considered. This little black line here, yeah. Could leave it on there anyway. It might serve a purpose in the future. Let me turn off the indicator now. Yeah, I spoke about this in the earlier video today. This channel, we like to wick both sides and then go. We wicked the high, inducement, took them out, real move, going up. AUDUSD is bullish, okay? This can be a WXY. This can still be, if this is in the WXY, this can still be a 1, 2 or an AB, okay? Because it's not easy to count as a 1, 2. I can count a diagonal here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, yeah? Maybe even 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, A, B, C, either which way. A 1 here, a 2 here. It's so hard to count this as a 1, 2, 1, 2. 8, 8, 6 was hit here. And also, it's hard to count this. I mean, the 4 is real small, but let's say if it was 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, or 1, 2, 1, 2, whatever, somewhere we would have had to have a 3, 4, 5, yeah? And then, so if it was a 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, we should have got a 4, 5 after that, not come down all the way here. So the only other thing I can think of is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 leading diagonal like that. That's the best count in my view right now. And I'm going to put that on the chart. If this is bullish, and I am bullish on this, then my best count, still not sure about that. They don't seem to be diverging lines, do they? Lead and expanding diagonals. Expanding diagonals are rare. If this was 1, 2, see, I'd have to give you 3 or you 3. Either which way doesn't change anything. Not gonna lie, I don't like the move up on this side, which increases the probabilities of a WXY. Y waves do not have to take out the lows. Okay, so yeah, we could have a WXY, then we could get a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Either which way, I'm looking for a 5 wave move to the upside that takes out that green line at least, and then we'll take it from there. Okay. This black line here as well. Right, let's have a look at the EURUSD. Yep, I called it. I drew the channel, and I did say, you know, we should see the bottom of that channel before coming up, and that should give us our new 4. Yeah, the purple 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, giving us purple 3. A, B, C, and 4 giving us the purple 4. I think we're good to go. I don't see no reason why we should hang around. Let me see the EMAs. Okay, break, close above the 50 EMA. It's game on. Came outside the volatility band, got oversold below the 30, the red line, oversold, yeah, gone bullish, and go 15 minute on time frame. We've broken the 50 static, which we want to do on the hour, yeah, close above the 50 EMA and that 50 static. That's a trick from the market maker method for confirmation buys in this situation. Yeah. Obviously, we had this A, B, and then C, and then I anticipated this A, B, C, so I moved the channel so I can get a more precise indication of when price is going higher. So I just split up the ABCs basically. So yeah, this continuing higher. In fact, this is a beauty. From what I can see right now, in a couple of minutes, it's a good time to buy EURUSD. Let's see if we can do this on the live. Well, live-ish, you know, because this is a recorded video. But it will be posted up within seconds of when I come off. So yeah, let's see what else we got here. We could take off from this OB. We most definitely could take off from this OB over here. And it could still end up. This can be a 1-2, 1-2 go. It can be a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 5, then come back down in the 2. Because it's the news, because it's the news week, because people are in the sell mentality. I don't think we're getting any deep retraces down. That's money, man. You know, I think they've done their thing. EURUSD, let me get ready to buy this. Okay. Can I get another swipe of the low? I think so. I think this is an A. We're coming up for a B. We'll get a C and then go up. And yep, we got some little inefficiency inside the last down move before the up move. I'm constantly mentioning these. These areas get seen a lot. This is the reason why I haven't pressed the buy button yet. I was close to pressing the buy button just now. But I think in the next few minutes, we'll get something like this. That's what I'm hoping to get. So I can enter here. Yeah. I'm going to put a small position in now though. No? Nah. I was going to. I was literally just about to and then the candle came down. I'd hate to miss it being petty. In fact, right, something's in there now. Dollar index is coming down. It swiped liquidity and it's coming down. Excellent. I'll put a marker here. For the worst case scenario, if this was going to be a fourth wave. If this was going to be a fourth wave. You know what? I'm going to sort out my charts so that they're cleaner from now on, yeah? Because I don't like the idea of, you know, too much stuff on the charts. I really want you to see and understand and get what I'm trying to show here. So swipe those highs, coming down lower is the plan, but it could have and still could end up being, you know, slightly bigger in the drop. But I don't think that's the case. GBPUSD. Acting stush. Yeah. Down and then up. Okay. We came out of the channel, induced higher on the news, whipped it down, took out the news candle, pulled up. That's an impulsive move up. We're looking for a 3, like a A, B, C, then take this to the upside. NZD/USD, same thing. Just some form of a pullback and then take it up. Same way I've been feeling about AUDUSD all day. That's what I'm waiting for. I really want AUDUSD because I think there's more upside potential with AUDUSD right now. It's coming down into my area at a nice time. Oh, now we got to actually, I need to have EURUSD on tap as well. So I'm going to go to the 1 minute for this. Okay. Exactly that, yeah. Get into that black line and then something will make me get in, but a break of that would be the confirmation. After coming down below this line and breaking that, that's an entry. Knowing me, likely I might get in before then, because I just see so many things, and I'm trying to get the lows, you know. Got one entry in the EURUSD right now. It's small because I was expecting the pullback, and when what I want to see happens, I'll be adding to that position. This can be a deeper retracement than I've got marked out here. It can come down into here. But I'm waiting to see if I'm going to enter off the bit. Oh, look at that. I actually think it might come down there now. Again, at the point of interest, we have an equal low. Right at a point of interest, man. So that's cool. Actually, there's no qualms there. It's the entry on Euro that I'm thinking about. Might have to take that one out. But we don't know. Don't know yet. It's doing exactly what. This is what I'm gonna do right now because my stop loss is really tiny. I've gotten into Euro USD. Okay. Stop loss. Once we take off, stop loss goes below whichever low it's there. Yeah. Once we actually move. Oversold and outside. Oversold, not quite outside. AUDUSD is looking like a nice buy. AUDUSD is looking like potentially a nice buy, but then we came up and we left that inefficiency, so I'll give it to just after quarter past. And I might just buy that then. Yeah. Did we even hit the 886? Yeah. Looks like we missed about a pip. Let's get accurate with this. I say that's pretty accurate. That's accurate. Missed it by a pip. Doesn't matter to me like that. Well, if I consider that hit, then we can bounce up from this area, this white area. But there's still always the chance we move down here, and I'm not opposed to it. I just want to see some movement today. And if we take time, we're here around 4 o'clock. Yeah, it's just a bit, not gonna see. We'll get the move, but it'll be like this. In fact, it may even be slower than that because this is quite direct. Euro USD's got me in profit now. Moving nicely. Stop losses are gonna go there now. Let me just put my stop losses directly there. Yeah, I'm not saying I can't get stopped out, but if I get stopped out, it's because we're probably coming down into here. And again, inefficiency. The market has an idea to come down, at least to some degree, right, to this area. We went below this line. I'm hoping it now holds. We left an inefficiency up there. If we don't hold this, this is where I'd be looking for the bounce up. If we don't hold that, all right. We'll see. We will see. AUDUSD ain't done going down in my view. Not until we take out this low at least. Which should lead us down into here. So just after quarter past, I'm hoping we've done that and I can buy that. I'm in buys on Amazon and Recursion Pharmaceuticals. If we take that low, that's going to be my 2. Start of 1 to the end of 1. Yeah. Tap it twice. If this, okay, yeah. This can still be the 2 because the time hasn't gone past, like, say, the 5 times the length of 1. So it's, yeah. To me, it's looking like this is going to be the two, and we're getting bullish divergences. That's good. You look at the 15, you'd think we'd crash it. We're already outside. It's likely we're going to just drop a piece and run up. So I'm happy with this. I'm happy with Amazon. Just keeping my eyes on them. Keeping my eyes on them as well. Need to see this low taken and then go higher. So I'm just trying to show what goes through my mind, you know, when I'm trying to get like, all right, we're bullish. We've established that. Been saying it for days. Cool. But where do you enter? I mean, you don't want to be entering here, here, you know. And also, because I'm a scalper, I'll be getting out like in these areas and waiting for retracements. So I can get back in these areas, you know. I got back in, but because of that little inefficiency, I didn't go in hard. I went in very soft. Alright, we're taking out that low on recursion pharmaceuticals. It's getting to turn around time. Do not want to see price set off this alert. In fact, let's get that at the 886, even above it. Yep. Not trying to see that happen. Into here is sweet. That's sweet. Right into there. This white line here. Do that and go break structure to the upside. And I'll probably add to that. I'm expecting Amazon to do the exact same thing. I do not want to see Amazon take this low. We should be already outside of the volatility bands. Over diversion. We've been outside, come up, and now this lower low is becoming a higher low on the TDI. If we turn around and break structure, I consider that an ending diag and a move up. So yeah, I'm excited about this. I think that's gonna go up, and I just want to be on the 1 minute for EURUSD, to be honest. It's the only thing that's gonna, you know, everything's down to the 1 minute now. We come here and go up, or we just go up in like a minute or two. AUDUSD up, punk. I think they lied to me here. I think they lied to me there. I don't want to miss it. So I've gotten into AUDUSD. I've added those extra positions. They might have lied to me here. So these candles, yeah, the 10 past to the 12 past on FXCM. Let's go forex.com. 10 past to the 12 past. No inefficiencies here. I mean, it's created equal lows, but that's alright. On under, see, we created the low here and we swiped it. If I was looking at Ananda, I'd have been happier to buy, but I wouldn't be happy about this piece here. So, but that could be fine. That could be fine. Then I'll go back to FX here. And I really wanna, it's this low that's got me thinking. The way I see it, yeah, you either create equal lows or it's just something to ignore. Because of this, I'm seeing us, we could probably do this still, yeah? But I'm sick and tired of the annoying, you know, so I'm in, done. I'm in on AUDUSD. I'm not even looking to add to EURUSD. I'm just in on EURUSD. I'm in on AUDUSD, and that's that for me. I'm just waiting for, you know, what I've said, down there and up on both of them. I'll come back and update US price moves I got my eyes on those. I got my eyes on Recursion Pharmaceuticals, and I got my eyes on Amazon. Trade Wealth. If there's anything you want me to do analysis on, I can do deep analysis from the monthly to the 1 minute. Marking out the setups and what I expect or I anticipate price doing. So leave a comment, subscribe, put notifications on because I'm regularly doing these updates. I'm regularly going live. I'm going to be doing some simpler videos on how you can actually use, smart money concepts, Elliott wave, Wyckoff, ICT, liquidity, market maker method, market structure in conjunction with each other to take high confluence trades. All right. Trade safe. Peace.